Hello YouTube. Bon, dans le dernier épisode, on s'était occupé de tous ces gobelins. Ah ouais, je pense qu'il va être temps de faire un repos. En plus, ce qui se passe, il va se passer beaucoup de choses, je pense, dans le... Enfin, il y a pas mal de choses qui vont se passer, je pense, dans le...
Hellsfire. She's coming.
Will, you've been naughty. And you know what happens when you're naughty.
Gods damn it. Anyone but her.
Maudite diablesse, hors de mon campement.
Now? But I'm just getting comfy. Call me Mizora. I'm Will's patron, the fount of his power. My pet's been unruly, and his leash needs a yank. We had a deal, Will. But Karlak's still breathing.
I've taken more pleasant shits than you, Mizora. And at least those can be buried after.
That's no kind of talk for a lady. By the way, Karlak, Zariel sends her regards.
You told me! Devils only! She's a tiefling, not a monster!
How precious. The little pupster's found his bark.
Clause G, Section 9. Target shall be limited to the infernal, the demonic, the heartless, and the soulless.
Karlak meets the criteria by virtue of having no heart.
Ne vous avisez pas à faire du mal à Karlak.
Don't you worry. That ship has long sailed the Styx. But a defiant pup must still pay his price. To wit.
Will burns in the fires of Avernus. The lightning storms of Dis strike his flesh. His soul passes through each layer of the hells, gaining their essence and their torment.
That's better.
What the hells have you done?
A promise broken, a price paid. You know the terms.
Get used to the new form, pet.
There's no going back. Some magic even I can't undo.
Now, let's see how the frontiers fare without their precious blade.
Karlak, keep an eye on him, would you? I'll be keeping mine on you. Oh, and Will, don't forget, our pact still stands. Ta-ta.
On va parler un peu à tout le monde.
I'll be honest, soldier. I'm reeling. Will hardly knows me, but he chose my life over his. Been a long time since someone stuck their neck out for me like that.
C'est quelqu'un de bien, peut-être le meilleur d'entre nous.
You can say that again. When he was chasing me through Avernus, I thought he was just another sad merc. How wrong I was.
On va parler un petit peu à Karlak.
Why are we slowing down?
Comment vous êtes-vous retrouvé avec cette chose dans la poitrine?
The year, Tenir. The place, sleepy little town called Baldur's Gate. Our hero, Karlak, a knock-kneed delinquent from the outer city with everything to give and nothing to lose. was a kid looking for a way to fill my days and make some cash when I fell into the wrong crowd. Worked for a guy I respected. A lot. Turns out the feeling wasn't mutual. Through the jigs and the reels, he made a deal with Zariel behind my back. You know Zariel, right? Archdevil of Avernus. She put this thing in my chest and set me to work. Well, to war. I learned quick how to stay alive. And the engine served me when it came to killing devils. 10 years of that. The stories I could tell.
Allez-y alors, je vous écoute.
I'll mete out the best ones bit by bit, so you always have a reason to keep me around. Clever, right?
C'est super qui vous a trahi et livré à Zariel. Qui était-il?
Guy named Gortash. Politician. Inventor. One of these wheeler-dealer types who seems to have a finger in every pie. I guess I was naive to think everything he got up to was above board. What did I know? I saw a job. A good job. With people I liked. Doing work I was good at. Sometimes I'm jealous of that girl. Ugh, to feel so invincible again.
Oui, mais à quoi sert cet engin infernal?
Gives me energy. Power. But you've seen it in action. Very hard to control. If I'm excited at all, angry, nervous, delighted, enticed, I burn hot. Hot enough to burn anyone who gets close.
Ça ne doit pas être simple de devoir sans cesse refouler vos émotions.
I try not to think about it. I still think about it constantly, but, you know, I try. One of these days, I'll sort the whole infernal affair out, get myself cooled off, start making up for lost time. But not today.
On n'en a pas fini. On a encore plein de dialogues
Hey,
à
soldier.
faire. À votre avis, quel est le meilleur moyen de tuer un diable?
Depends on the type. Ice devils hate an inferno, but that's an easy one. Orthons love projectiles. What they don't love is getting their bombs lobbed right back in their faces. Demons, on the other hand, every demon is absolutely singular. You can't ever think you've got them typed out. Sharp instincts, sharp weapons, and a knack for improvisation. That's the only way to survive them. Anyway, what were we talking about?
Maintenant que ces paladins ne sont plus là pour vous gêner, qu'est-ce que vous avez prévu de faire ensuite?
First things first, I need to get this engine tuned up. Thing's powerful, but it's been feeling volatile ever since I left the Hells. Can't be too hard to find an infernal mechanic round here, right?
J'aurais jamais imaginé finir ici un jour, et vous?
Funny you should ask. I was just thinking about what would have become of us without that Nautiloid. I mean, I know where I'd be. Trapped in Avernus still, with the Blade of Frontiers on my tail. But what about you?
Je ne me souviens de rien, si ce n'est quelques brides tachées de rouge.
It'll come back to you. Maybe you'll recognize something we passed, or maybe we'll find out what happened to you. I get the feeling we've got a long road ahead of us. I hope we find you some answers along the way.
On n'a pas fini. On va faire
Hey,
tous les
soldier.
dialogues. Vous et Misora semblez vous connaître. Comment?
We were both part of Zariel's inner circle. Her by choice, me by force. In the grand scheme of things, I'm inconsequential to Zariel. Sure, I've got the engine, but I wasn't even her strongest fighter. But she favored me like a child favors a captive pet. Misora envied the attention, I suppose. I'm sure when Zariel gave her the order to hunt me down, Misora was delighted.
comprends pourquoi vous teniez tant à vous échapper.
No kidding. The fighting, the chaos, the betrayal. It had the makings of a good stage show, but I did not want to be one of the players.
On va changer de sujet. J'ai tout oublié de mes origines, de qui je suis réellement. Est-ce un effet de la métamorphose?
I don't think so. At least, I still remember everything. In more detail than I wish. But, as for what's going on in your mind, and maybe in mine, I'm certain there are answers out there. We'll find them together.
Je suis attiré par la violence et le chant. Et le sang, pas le chant. Un penchant qui pourrait tourner à l'obsession.
Well, look. You've said it, right out loud. That takes guts. The guts you'll need to change. Or at least make sure you're channeled in the right direction. Got enough enemies who could do with a good bloodletting, you know?
Et on a fini. On va parler en broker.
I hope Mazora flies into the blades of a windmill for what she did to Will. Though, I must admit, the new look is a little dashing.
D'où sort cet étrange artefact que vous avez sur vous?
There's no story. None that you're entitled to hear, anyway. Just forget you ever saw it.
Je voudrais parler de votre culte de char.
I'm sure you do. But please try to understand that it's not something I can just talk about freely.
Je n'ai aucun problème avec les disciples de char si c'est ce qui vous inquiète.
Very well. Perhaps there's potential in you. Let's see how you handle this. I am indeed a disciple of Shah, Mistress of the Night and Lady of Loss. I assume you've heard of her?
Honnêtement, votre foi ne regarde que vous, je ne vous juge pas.
Curious. Most are afraid of my lady. I think I did well by joining you. Most agreeable company.
Changer de sujet. J'aimerais mieux vous connaître, broker.
You already know my biggest secrets. What more can you ask?
Parlez-moi donc de vous, vraiment de vous, je vais dire. Pas de char, ni de votre larve.
What, besides my life's calling and the greatest problem I've ever faced? Well, I like night orchids and can't swim. Is that the sort of thing you meant?
Il faudra que vous montriez ces fleurs si jamais vous en voyez.
It's a deal.
Il y a autre chose dont vous aimeriez me faire part?
No, I can't. I mean, I literally can't. There's certain things I can't remember right now. Shah's secrets must be preserved above all else. All who worship her know this. I have had certain memories suppressed, voluntarily, so that I can serve Shah without compromising her. If I manage to return to Baldur's Gate and fulfill Shah's mission, then my memories will be restored.
Vous avez fait effacer vos propres souvenirs, voilà qui me semble pour le moins extrême.
Of course. It is an act of faith, not to be undertaken lightly. Shah will reward me when I succeed.
Je ne peux pas empêcher... Ouais, je suis pas sûr que... Je ne peux pas empêcher de penser que nous avons laissé passer notre chance de tisser des liens vraiment très étroits.
I think I know what you mean.
Ah non, c'est bon.
There's an undeniable rapport, and yet we haven't made time for each other. Time alone. Easily remedied, if you like. I know a place.
J'aimerais beaucoup, oui, je vous suis.
Not just yet. Let's choose our moment. Some quiet night, when the others are asleep and there's no distractions, I'll come for you.
Bien. Voyons voir.
I'm glad you decided to join me.
Ok. Ça, c'est un indicateur pour voir si elle m'apprécie ou pas. Maintenant, Astarion.
Just so you know, I don't judge you for what happened to that bard, Alfira. But the look of guilt on your face was priceless.
Je me sens vraiment mal, vous savez.
I don't care, really. But you could have been more subtle about it.
Parlez-moi de vous.
Oh, what's to tell? I'm a magistrate back in the city. It's all rather tedious.
Ça au moins été rapide. Les ailes.
The Blade of Frontiers in the guise of a devil. I'd remark on the irony, but I'd hate to waste the breath. Still, it took guts to defy that petty patron of his. The Blade's sting is real.
Si j'ai vraiment gagné votre respect, pourquoi vous montrez-vous toujours aussi agressive?
If you must know, Vlaakith requires everything of her children. I can't count how many bruises I've inflicted. Can't measure how much blood I've drawn in the Undying Queen's name. I know only blood red and death black. My mind is silver, and my body steel. I am what I must be, say what I must be, to survive every beast I face and every wound I bear.
Vous êtes sûr que le rejoindre une crèche est notre seul espoir de trouver un remède?
Entirely. I was as devoted to my studies as I was to my training. Each creche contains a Zaithisk purification device. So I learned from the writings in the Kalir Library. The library was a gift from Vlaakith herself, that we may gain total understanding.
Ce genre de sagesse a une immense valeur.
Countless scholars roam the astral sea and beyond, observing the ways of our lessers, exploring planes so distant order turns to chaos and cold fires rage. The planes are ever quaking, and their peoples ever shifting. The Githyanki possess an eternity of knowledge. Yet we still collect more, infinities upon infinities.
Vous avez des traits sortant de l'ordinaire, les Githyanki ne sont pas fréquents dans la région.
I expect I am your first.
J'avais entendu parler des Githyanki, mais c'est la première fois que j'en rencontre un. Enfin, une.
Of course you haven't. They would have cut you from navel to neck. You are no less alien to me than I am to you. I know of your kind, but I do not often encounter them. That large, fleshy nose of yours looks like a mistake.
C'est vrai, merci d'avoir remarqué.
It was an observation, not a compliment. No matter. I do not intend to stay long in this place.
Que savez-vous sur les flèches manteau?
I understand much beyond your comprehension. More to the point, I know the cure for our condition. It is imperative we locate a creche. You do well to observe more and question less.
Savez-vous ce qui nous arrivera si nous ne trouvons pas de remède?
Yes, in great detail. It starts with a fever and memory loss. Then you start to hallucinate. Your hair falls out, and you bleed from every orifice. Your bones will change form. Your jaw will split to allow room for 4 great tentacles. All skin will turn to gore, and be shed to reveal new flesh underneath. Then you have ceased to exist, and a mind flayer is born.
Ça n'arrivera pas, nous trouverons un remède, je le sais.
Words forged in steel. May your actions express the same metal. We must find my kind and be rid of the parasite. It's as simple as that. The first symptoms should have long since started, though. That is what puzzles me.
Ne t'inquiète que nous n'ayons pas changé, c'est plutôt bon signe, non?
Yes, if you give it no further thought. But anomalies lead to surprises. Bad surprises. Besides, what hasn't happened may yet come to pass.
J'ai aucun souvenir de mon passé. Le parasite pourrait-il en être la cause?
Ceramorphosis takes all of you. Mind, body, soul. An ordinary tadpole would eat at your memories until they were lost to the void. But our tadpoles are far from ordinary. I wonder if another factor's in play.
Je souffre de sombres pulsions. J'ai envie de tuer, je veux du sang.
Many a good warrior savors the scent of blood in the air. There's no shame in a capricious murder now and again. Too many, though, and you waste energy and dull your weapon. My suggestion, attack with purpose and savor your kills. And if the urge proves too much, well, I'm sure we can find you a goblin or two to carve up.
Peu importe ce que vous pensez, je n'ai pas tué Alfira.
I'll tell you what I think anyway. I won't miss Alfira, but I won't stand for chaos. Govern your hunger before it governs you.
On parle à Will.
God's damn her straight back to the hells. Just look at me. I did what was right, and Mazora made me pay for it. I'd be hunting devils and demons, she said. Traitors and hypocrites, heartless evils of all sorts, but not Zariel's victims. Not innocent tieflings.
Il m'a dit que Raphaël était dangereux, et dans le même temps, vous avez conclu un pacte avec Mizora qui est hypocrite. Non. L'épée des confins va devoir s'expliquer.
I'll say what I can, but it won't be enough. It's Mizora who grants me the power to conjure armor and cast eldritch blasts. Before I was infected, I could even call hell beasts and summon festering clouds. But I promise you, every thrust of my blade and every flame I sparked was for the good of the coast.
Quelles sont les clauses de votre contrat?
I can't utter the terms or circumstances of the pact. I can tell you most all else, but the pact, I'm forbidden, unless Mizora permits it. But I'll say this. The moment I pacted myself to Mizora, I have not regretted for a heartbeat. It was my proudest deed. It was worth the sacrifice. All I can give you on that is my solemn word. The Blade of Frontiers at your calling.
Dis-moi, Will, comment êtes-vous devenu l'épée des confins?
My father once said, one does not pursue a champion's life. One merely answers its call. So it was for me. I was hunting near the Cloakwood when I heard it. A child crying out from a lone farmstead. I found him in the fields, flanked by goblins. His mother's corpse bled into the soil next to him. I don't remember much of the battle, but I remember drying the boy's tears after.
Quel acte pourrait être plus noble que le fait de sauver une vie? Vous deviez être très fier de vous.
Proud? No. Angry. Angry at the monsters preying on innocents. Angry at the so-called good gods for tolerating the cruelty of the evil. Angry at myself that it took so long for me to see the coast suffering. The frontiers demanded a blade. And so I heeded.
C'est comme ça que vous avez perdu votre œil face à des gobelins?
It was an even bloodier day, and a stronger foe. It's made from pure bloodstone, carved from the Galena Mountains just north of the Moonsea. A reminder that sometimes blood must be shed and sacrifices must be made. Ah, but that story is reserved for lifetime friends and calmer days.
Qu'est-ce que ça fait d'être un diable?
It's said that anyone who bathes in the river of blood emerges as one born anew. It's a lot like that, I imagine. I feel the weight of these horns on my head, curling upwards like a mammoth's tusks. I feel these ridges snaking down my neck. Not to mention a few bumps and prongs in unmentionable places. But I haven't seen my reflection just yet. Be my mirror. What do you see?
Je vois l'épée des confins, ni plus ni moins.
It's because you know the heart lurking under the horns. The people will see a curiosity, maybe even a beast hungry for their souls. But I will slay their monsters, keep them safe, and one day they will see the Blade of Frontiers again.
Vous feriez bien de trouver un moyen de résilier ce pacte.
A possibility that's kept me awake countless nights. But I don't have a clue where to start, other than play her games and play by the rules. That's the only language devils listen to.
Il doit bien avoir une faille dans le contrat qui vous permettra de vous en sortir.
There could well be. She has the blighted thing. What I know of it is simply what has engraved itself upon my memory. My contract is very clear. I can bring Mizora no harm. She'll have to let me out of my pact willingly. The only way out is if I can out-bargain her. We're standing here with nothing but the clothes on our backs and the worms in our heads.
Nous pouvons la battre si nous utilisons le dollar ensemble.
We can. I'm sure of it. How glad I am that you see me as more than my patron's pet.
On n'a pas fini.
Well met.
Je n'ai pas le moindre souvenir de mon passé. Se pourrait-il que ce soit à cause du parasite?
Seems unusual to me. Then again, we're talking about tadpoles inserted into our brains by rubber-skinned tentacle monsters. There's nothing usual about it. All the more reason to stick close. I think you'll agree.
Je ressens une vive soif de sang, un désir presque irrépressible de tuer, de détruire.
Anger. I understand. We've been preyed on by Elithids, suffered insertion of a mind-bending worm. Bloodthirst is another matter. But perhaps not too big of one, if it's a devil or demon's flesh you're wanting to tear.
Je n'ai pas tué Alfira, je vous le jure.
Is that so? Maybe that's fear of false accusation I hear in your voice. Or maybe it's guilt. Whichever is true, I will not stand for more innocent blood being shed in our camp.
Ok. Et enfin Gale. C'est un épisode où on blablate beaucoup, mais c'est nécessaire pour faire avancer certaines quêtes.
Will got off lightly. The wrath of the hells is second only to the wrath of the heavens. Having a devil in our camp will certainly make things interesting. Never a dull day, is there?
Je crois en voir en ma possession un artefact magique qui pourrait vous intéresser.
Your enterprising approach to my problem is most encouraging. But it is a delicate process to keep my condition stable. I do not yet need to consume an item, but keep it close by. It will not be too much longer.
Je demandais, votre souci physique, pourquoi nécessite-t-il de la magie?
Think of it as tribute. The kind a king might pay to a more powerful neighbor to avoid invasion. As long as I pay, there will be peace. But should I ever stop, along comes a war. I can assure you, the battlefield would extend well beyond the borders of my body alone.
J'ai l'impression qu'un épais brouillard s'est abattu sur mes souvenirs, des événements précédant le Nautiloid.
Memory loss isn't usually a symptom of Ceremorphosis. If it is, they've forgotten to write it down in any text I've read on the subject. Then again, our case isn't exactly usual. Perhaps whatever's causing our tadpoles to remain in stasis has also affected your mind. If Ceramorphosis takes place, all trace of your former self will be subsumed into the Mind Flayer's hive. So, to still be here, if a mite forgetful, still a win in my book.
Je suis envahi par des pensées violentes et malsaines. Des pensées qui me hantent sans cesse.
We all have those from time to time. I once wished a most impure demise on a colleague of mine who bought the last remaining copy of Etheril's Enchiridion of Enchanting Easements. It's a first edition, too. As regards to your own morbid little fantasies, I'm sure they're nothing to worry about. So long as they remain fantasies.
Ce qui est arrivé à Talfira, ce n'était pas ma faute, je le jure.
I'm sure that will be of small comfort to her.
Super, merci pour ça. Allez, allons nous reposer.
Let's see what this does.
Ah, oui. Je vais utiliser des sacs.
Tonight, you can't chase the thoughts of that poor girl you killed from your head. You wonder what she looked like as she died. Squirming, skewered in abject agony.
Allez faire quelques pas, essayez de vous retenir de vomir.
Your body barely complies. You feel such rushes from your thoughts of the dead woman. Why did she die? The mystery gnaws at your pounding heart.
Milady? Jubilant day! I have found your vile self at last! Sceleritas fell. Your loyal and ever-adoring butler. I followed you, my dear rotted master. We have been parted so tragically long.
Je suis en plein cauchemar, c'est ça?
We are in a place darker than any prison, hotter than any fire, where the souls of the innocent scream in sacred agony. Your flayed and putrefied heart. Thump thump. I found you following the stench of that bard. She reeked across the coast like a piece of dog muck on the road.
C'est à cause de vous que je l'ai tué.
Such fine work could never be done by a wretch like me. Anyways, I come once again bearing a part of your dreadful inheritance. You earned this iniquitous prize through your great show of exceptional violence the other night. I'm sure Master will be better soon. A fellow of your fine breeding is never down for long. I cannot wait until your next act of shameless barbarity.
Vous pouvez attendre longtemps, je me dégoûte déjà assez comme ça de l'avoir tué.
Oh, it was wonderfully disgusting, wasn't it? Be true to yourself, my lady.
Et on va donner cette cape à Astarion. Oh, peut-être même à... aussi. Et ça, on va le donner à Ombrecoeur. Hop. Et voilà. Donc je pense qu'on va s'arrêter pour cet épisode. Ça a été un épisode un petit peu de transition, mais nécessaire. Des bisous YouTube.